Welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to explore the practical use cases for two handy functions in Python, any and all. These versatile functions are essential tools for logical evaluations and we'll demonstrate their power through a series of code examples. So let's get into it. Let's look at this first code segment. So we're going to start with the any function. So that's what we see here. It's very useful when you want to quickly check if the condition holds true in a collection. In this example, we have a list of numbers and we use a list comprehension to filter out the even numbers. Then we apply the any function to check if there's any even numbers in the resulting list. If there are, we print a message confirming the presence of even numbers. So let's run this code. As you can see, the output is there are even numbers in this list. Because as you can see, there are indeed even numbers in this list. Now let's move on to the all function. The function returns true if all elements are iterable in an iterable are true, and false if at least one element is false. It's perfect for scenarios where you need to ensure that all conditions are satisfied. Let's dive into an example. In this case, we have a list of grades and we want to check if all students pass the exam. We use a generator expression inside the all function which checks if each grade is greater than or equal to 70. So let's run this code. As you can see, the output is all students pass the exam. Since all the grades in the list are greater than or equal to 70, the all function returns true and we get a positive message. Now that you've seen these practical examples, you can start leveraging the power of any and all in your Python projects. These functions can save you time and simplify your code by providing concise and efficient logical evaluations. That's it for today. So if you want to see more content like this to improve your Python skills, please comment below. Helps us with the algorithm. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace.